How do you make tables in Canva? It's actually quite easy. Let me show you how. Go over to Elements. You can just type in table. There are a variety of different table types you can choose from. Let's go ahead and press See All. I'm going to just choose 3 different table types that we can review together. So obviously you could have your title here and here, and you might be tracking A, B, and C. If you click on the 3 dots at the top, that will allow you to add more columns. In addition, if you want to make your table a little bit bigger and things get unequal, you can click on the 3 dots over here and size the columns equally. You can do the same thing for the rows using the 3 dots up here. You can also size columns to content, which can be very helpful. There are other things you can do, like you can merge cells. If you want to change any of the borders, you can do so up here. You can change the color of the fill, and you can get more options for table spacing up here. So it's pretty simple what you can do, but it's also pretty simple to get started. Now with these colored ones, you can see that all they've done for these colored ones is they've really adjusted for you some of the colors, but you have the option to do that yourself with any table to make it customized. So this one, they made it some nice fills, and they also changed the border colors right here. And then for this one, what they did was they just changed the spacing. So made the table spacing a little bit bigger so that you have the space between the cells instead of the colors on the borders. And that's about it. You can choose from the different table options they have. Again, just go to Elements and type in table, and that's how you make a table in Canva. Hope this was helpful. Bye.